welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia and this is Pep, and I love playing around with colourful makeup. And today we're going to be playing, well, I'm not playing with anything actually, I'm just showing you. It's PLouise skincare collection that I've been using. I've actually really been enjoying it a lot. It comes in this like cute little bag like this. I got the cherry scent. It's got like this is like a foam cleanser, and then we've got a moisturiser as well, and this is it. What's it called? I'm So Jelly. I'm just going to show you all. I've been probably using it for a couple of weeks. What I'm going to do is I'll put like a bit of lipstick on the back of my hand just to show you, and I'll show you what the products are like as well. I chose the cherry scent. I'm now thinking the next time when this runs out, I might go for something a little bit different. Because the only thing that I wouldn't say I don't like it. I do really like it a lot. I mean, look at the cute packaging. I mean, what's not to like? It's got little cherries on it. It's really nice. But the one thing I will say about this one, you know, for taking the makeup off, because I chose cherry, I'm just opening it up so that you can see it's like that inside. It's like a sort of a pinky red colour, and you know, when you go to put it on your skin, it makes your skin pink. I think obviously, you know, you're washing it off, you know, but if it gets into your nails, it dyes your nails. So I'm kind of thinking to maybe choose a different scent, because hopefully it won't dye my nails. That's the only thing that I would say about the product that I'm a bit like, oh, that's not so great, you know. Because I usually, yeah, I like it, you know what I mean? I mean, it washes off, no problem, you know what I mean? Off the back of your hand, you know, as you can see there, it took the lipstick off. It's got a really nice smell, but yeah, it dyes your nails. That's the only thing I would say about this, you know, because look at the colour, it's really bright. You're putting it on your face, it makes your face go that colour. But I mean, I don't have a problem with that, because like I say, it does wash off. But it stains your nails terribly. After that, I then would use this. This is great. I love how it's got the little brush on it. I think it's really cute. And again, we've got all these like cherries all over the bottle. Brilliant. And just, you know, put it on, phones up, and you can scrub it all over your face like so. Brilliant. Really cute. Love it. And I love that it's like the little brush is actually like love hearted. And again, just swiping it off the back of my hand, but obviously, yeah, I'm doing this at the sink, you know, normally, so yeah, you're rinsing it off with water, so it's fine, you know. There we go. Comes off, brilliant, you know, that's absolutely fine, love it. Just going to put it back on again, like so. And then the last one is the moisturising cream, and again, it comes in really pretty packaging. It's got the cherries on it. Really cute. Just open it up. It's like, I should say the So Jelly remover has the same, you know, over it where you have to lift it off. I took it off like that because I didn't want it going everywhere. I didn't want to be completely pink. Oh, this does not want to come out. I had the same problem. I was trying to use it the other day. It was kind of stuck. Oh, doesn't want to come out. Oh, there we go, eventually. And it's just a nice moisturising cream that I put on, you know, once I've done the remainder of my skincare. It's really nice. I'll show you on the back of my hand again. It's like that, and you just rub it in. It's really nice. I do that as my last step after, you know, the other. I mean, I do have other extra things that I do in my skincare routine, but these are obviously the products that I got, and I do think they're really nice, and I do like the smell. But like I say, yeah, I think the next time when I go to get, so I probably would get this bundle again, because it's only £25, and I do think that's really good. I would maybe try one of the other scents. I do think there's like a cake scent. But yeah, it comes in this cute packaging again. It's got cherries on it. It's really cute. I do think for the other scents, I think they're obviously different colours. So, you know, if you maybe were to buy the cake one, I think it's maybe pink and it's probably like a cake, I'm guessing. And, you know, and so on, I think it's watermelon. There's various different ones. But I have really been enjoying it. Just, yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like, is it makes my nails go pink. Takes a good few washes to get it from under your nails. But I do, I really like the packaging a lot, and I do like the smell of it, and yeah, I really like it. I'm going to continue to use it until it's finished, but like I say, next time round I think we'll try a different scent, because I do think I've seen, I think it was maybe on PLouise actually, and I think it is the cake bundle that they're doing, and yeah, when she opens up the makeup remover, this, I think it must be the cake one, and the remover inside a different colour. It's more sort of light coloured. So I'm kind of thinking, that's not going to make my skin go pink. And that's what we're wanting. But apart from that, I think it's great. It takes it, do you know what, it completely melts everything off. I mean, I use dual lash liner glue to put my eyelashes on with. And some, you know, balms, etc., removers that I've used in the past don't always get all the glue off, whereas this, you just need a tiny amount on, you know, on your hands, put it all over your face, rinse it off, completely melts it off, and then when I go to use the cleanser, that's it, that as well. And once I've done those 2 steps, it's completely off. Everything's completely off. So I do really like it. I've used one of her things before. It was when I started the pro course. There was something similar to the jelly remover, and that was really good for taking. I can't remember where it was. I got it in this big pack, but that was really good as well. But yeah, I do really like this a lot. And you know, if you haven't tried it, try it. But maybe don't try the cherry unless you want to be pink. But anyway, this was just a short video to show you the products that I've been using as part of my skincare. I don't just use these, I do have other products that I use. I've been using, it's a Glow Recipe dupe from Home Bargains. It's their toner, drops, and their moisturiser. I have got that as well. And I was using a balm for removing my makeup, which is meant to be a dupe for, I can't remember what it's called. Is it Biome? I don't know. It's got a funny name like that. It's in a sort of square packaging, but all the corners are all sort of like rounded. I can't remember. It is meant to be a dupe. That is okay, because I mean, it's not the real product. So for what it is, it's actually quite a good product. I was using that before I bought the PLouise to remove my makeup, and these other products that I've used, I have tied that in with these PLouise products as part of my skincare routine. Anyway, I hope you've liked watching this small video about the PLouise products. I will be back again, probably with, I do have, it's Jenna Tutorials new palette, the Final Rodeo. We'll play about with that. It is a neutral palette. I know, who am I? I don't usually do neutral. I'm always usually quite colourful, but I do have her other 2 palettes, and I don't just use it for, you know, the eyeshadow. I mean, there's blushes, there's bronzers. You could use them apparently to fill in your brows. I do that with the previous one that she had. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's Giddy Up Cowboy or Cowgirl, something like that. I can't remember. I do use that to fill in my brows, and this new one, I've basically got it so that when that runs out, I've got that one as well. But yeah, we'll probably do a video with that next week. Hope you've liked watching, and if you've got any of the PLouise skincare, or you've maybe got one of the different scents, tell me about it. Does it stain your fingers? I'd like to know, and I'll see you all next week. And oh, if you're new to the channel and you've enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps. And I will see you all next week. Bye!